elevator. This is now about 8 minutes of this rain. This is parking, west side of the building. Mr. Joe Freeman and your engineer and Mr. Vendracic, including Mr. Bridges, please come over here to the side and check this out. Here it is, staircase. How safe it is. How safe it is. We had to prevent for slipping on the staircases because that's what's happening. I see this. Is any civil engineer see this? Look at the sidewalk. This is about 15 minutes of the rain right now. Cannot even walk. That's how much.